Okay, so in this video, I wanted to give a review of just about every product I've tried for the year of 2025. So, starting with the shampoo that I use to clarify every month, the Sacred Clarifying Shampoo. I've done a video of this before, so I'm not gonna get too in depth of it, but definitely one of my favorite clarifying shampoos. And I do plan on repurchasing this, just no time soon because kind of on a budget right now. But this is definitely something that I would repurchase. I love the, ooh, excuse me. I love the peppermint feeling on my scalp, and I just love it. It's good. It's good. Definitely recommend. All right. So this one is okay. This is the Agave and Lavender Detangling Conditioner. At first, I wasn't really a fan of this conditioner, but after giving it a try over a little bit and then trying it with other people, I actually do like this conditioner. I use this conditioner when I clarify my hair before, and so like, and when I don't feel like deep conditioning. It does make my hair feel soft. It does help my hair detangle. I use it, I slather it in, and I finger detangle and everything. I let it sit, and then I rinse it out. So I will say, I'm glad I decided to still give this a chance and not just give it away. Would I repurchase this? Maybe, maybe. But I wouldn't write it off. I do think this is a good product. Ooh, text messages. All right, next. This is the Sacred Reconstructing Treatment Mask. This is so light. Am I almost done? Oh yeah, just about. I got like this little bit, maybe like one or two uses left. This lasted me a long time because I don't use this often. I almost said all the time. Often. I think I use this maybe every 2 months, every 3 months when I really feel like my hair needs a treatment. Like next month in January, I will be using this to give my hair a boost because I did notice I've been going through a lot of breakage and single strand knots lately. Now, this is a reconstructing conditioner. It's not a deep conditioner that you can use in your hair every week or every 2 weeks. So this definitely strengthens your hair. I do like this. This is also something where if you want like a really strong protein type treatment, I'd recommend this. And it lasts you a long time. This is the only one that I've ever purchased. And I think I bought this back in January, maybe before that. So definitely lasts you a long time, but all right, sorry, the video cut. Yeah, so it's a very good reconstructive conditioner, and I do recommend this. Would I buy this again? Again, just like the Sacred Clarifying Conditioner, yes, I would buy this again. But I think I would also not use it as often. And I would probably just do like light protein deep conditioning treatments instead of this because this is really strong. This is probably better for people who color their hair or maybe have relaxers and stuff like that. People who really need it. So, yeah. All right, next. This one. I was so excited to try this. This is the Honey Cream Deep Conditioning Mask by Design Essentials. And I wanted to try this because I like the shampoo, the honey cream shampoo. I loved it. And it took me a while to get this because I ordered it straight from the website instead of, Ulta and everything. And I will say, I was kind of disappointed. Now, I got some uses out of it to try to give it a chance. It smells like the shampoo. So it doesn't stink or anything, but I didn't really care for how it felt in my hair, and it's so weird. I really didn't. Like, I followed the instructions and everything, but I don't know, maybe I don't know what it is. It's just I wasn't really feeling it. And it's not like it dried my hair. My hair didn't feel dry or anything. But I think because I know how my hair has felt with other conditioners, I think I have higher expectations. And this one, just didn't really need it. So I will say this is a dud for Design Essentials for me. For me. Now I will keep using this because I used it on my wigs when I wash my wigs, and it felt good on my wig. So I don't know. Maybe it's just my type of hair. Like maybe my hair just doesn't agree with it because this feels amazing on my wigs. So I'm gonna still get my money's worth. I'm still use it, but would I repurchase this again? For me, no. Okay, next, the Genesis Seal It Butter from The Crown. I love this hair butter. Love it. As you can see, it's getting used. Look at that. It's getting used. Yeah, so this has been getting used. I feel like this has been a staple reason of why my hair has not been feeling super dry during these winter months. And it was so good, I went and bought another job before I even finished this. That's how you know it's good. It's a small business. I found them on TikTok. It smells pretty nice. And you don't really need to be heavy-handed with it. And what the heck? How's it doing that? So weird. And I've seen the owner use it. She uses it when she does her wash and go. She uses it when she does her blowouts and yada yada. I use it when I do braid outs and twist outs. And then when I want to refresh my hair, I'll spray my hair with water or refresh spray, and then I'll put a little bit of this on the ends. I definitely like this hair butter. I'm glad I took a chance with this company, and I'm glad I found a hair butter that I think I would stick with as long as she keep running her company, because you never know. But as long as she's around, I would definitely keep repurchasing this. I already have a second jar, so I won't be repurchasing anytime soon, but I definitely recommend this hair butter. I think it's amazing and it works very well, and you don't even need a lot. So definitely recommend that. Okay, so next, the Doux B-Girl Honey Dip Butter Gel. Now, I didn't use this too much. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like up to here now from starting up here. I didn't use this too much because I'm not a wash and go girl, because my hair will look a hot mess by day 2 and it'll be tangled and I'm about to sneeze. Okay, wait. Nope. Okay, it's done. But I do like this gel. I do like this butter gel. I think the consistency is very nice. It's so smooth. And the way I use this was, I would use it as, you know, how people use flaxseed gel to seal the moisture into their ends and everything, or the hydration, I should say, into their ends. That's how I use the butter gel. So I would do a braid out or twist out, and then at the very end, I would take a little bit and I would just kind of rub it through my hair, like on my ends, to, you know, lock in everything. So I don't know, would I ever try wash and go again just to see if this works? Probably not. I don't know. But I do like the way this felt on my hair. My hair didn't feel really dry or crunchy whenever I took the braids down or the twists out. And it pairs nicely with the next product I'm going to review, which is the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam, which of course, the Doux. And this got used up. This is almost done. But again, I didn't use this because it's winter time, and I don't know how mousse works in the winter time, and I'm kind of scared to try it, which is why these are still not really finished. But these two together and a twist out or a braid out, ooh, yes. However, I will say a con with this, and this is something where I don't know if it's just me, because I haven't really seen, every time I look at a review of this, they all say the same thing about how when they use this, their hair feels so moisturized and everything. I didn't get that with this. This made my hair feel like whenever I put any other bit of mousse on my hair, when it dries up, it dries up. It freezes in place and everything. So it's good for hold like that. I will definitely say that. I even use this like on like my edges and everything. Like when I smooth down my hairline or something, I'll put that on. I'll use my hand and I'll tie down with a scarf. Like this was my edge control for the summertime. So I will definitely say I do like this for that. I do like it for hold. But people said that when they used this, their hair still felt moisturized. I don't know what the hell they talking about. I don't know. Maybe, some of these people that say it, the companies be sending them shit for free or paying them to review it, so they gotta say it. But I don't got subscribers. I don't got followers like that. So ain't nobody sending me shit. I'm gonna tell you, this did not leave my hair feeling hydrated and moisturized. Not at all. No. It's a good hold. It has great hold. And it styles well with this gel. So I will say, and even with my hair butter, it styles well with that. So it mixes well with a lot of stuff, but I will say, people saying, oh, your hair still feels moisturized after using this. For me, it didn't. But I do like this. And would I repurchase this again? I would, but I want to try the honey version of this. I want to give that a chance. But if I was to buy this again, I would buy the travel size version, not the whole size.